Eliminates coffee residue and oils from espresso machine group heads, valves and lines. Specially formulated to clean heavily soiled equipment in a professional setting. Powder format allows for easy and controlled dosing. Recommended for use as part of a daily backflush regimen. Organic Materials Review Institute, OMRI, listed and NSF certified. Cafiza Espresso Machine Cleaner Powder is an integral part of the daily maintenance routine for espresso machines. Specifically formulated for effective use in the backflush cleaning process, Cafiza is designed to combine maximum solubility and cleaning power with easy rinsability. Cafiza is recommended for use with a wide range of traditional espresso machines and is NSF certified for metal compatibility and safety. Top reviews from the United States. Roasting coffee. After roasting coffee beans about 20 times, I take apart the roaster parts that need cleaning. Soak them in the solution for half an hour and, voila, it wipes clean as a whistle.